Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video we will be going through our very simple yet profitable, the ATR Breakout trading strategy. As usual, we'll have plenty of practical examples. The idea is to fully understand this wonderful trading strategy and to make the most out of it. If you want more videos more often, please smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell, and share this video across your WhatsApp, Facebook accounts, or Twitter to show your support. A very important point before we start. Everything we discuss in this video can be used for currency trading, stock trading, and crypto, because price action stays relatively consistent across different assets, so we're going to go very in-depth in this video. The key to success in trading is all about maximizing your profits and minimizing risk. And this average true range, or ATR trading strategy, will help you to reach this goal. ATR indicator. This is one of the best market volatility indicators. The average true range indicator helps traders understand the way a stock, forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies moves. The main idea behind the average true range trading strategy is, we only want to trade when the market is ready to accelerate. If we identify how much the price moves on average, this can be helpful to achieve consistency in trading. This can be accomplished by using the ATR indicator. So, in this video, we will explain how to use average true range or ATR in the market. As usual, we'll have plenty of practical examples. The idea is to fully understand this wonderful indicator and to make the most out of it. And now, before we move forward, we must define the ATR indicator. You'll need this for the average true range trading strategy and how to use it. ATR indicator explained. Simply put, the ATR indicator measures the volatility of price changes of any security or market. In this regard, the ATR is a universal indicator. The ATR indicator can be used to trade anything including stock, forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. The best average true range period to trade with is 10. Our team at Trader DNA has found out through extensive research that 10 sessions or 10 periods is the perfect number to measure the volatility. And it works best on the daily, 30-minute, and 1-hour chart. Support and resistance with the average true range indicator. When using the average true range indicator, traders look at classical support and resistance levels. For example, the market consolidates in a contracting triangle, and the expected break is a bullish one. Because of that, when the price breaks, traders go long. But wouldn't it be nice to have a confirmation? Or a reinforcement that the long trade is the right one? That the market doesn't make a fake break? This is what the ATR indicator is for. It gives a reinforcement that the break is for real. In this Euros United States dollar pair, it shows the pair forming a contracting triangle on the daily chart. When ranging, the most common pattern the market forms is a triangle. In the foreign exchange market, a contracting triangle appears most of the times. If the ATR indicator shows the range increases, it confirms the market started a new trend. Or, it shows the consolidation ended. In this case, the Euros United States dollar pair did move. However, the ATR formula showed low values. As such, the volatility simply wasn't there. Despite the pair moving in a 4,000 pips range, it was just a range. Nothing else. So, how do we know when the range will break? Moreover, how do we know if the break is real and not a fake one? Traders simply draw a trend line on the ATR window and wait for the average true range indicator to break higher. It doesn't matter if the actual trend is bullish or bearish. If the volatility increases with a move, the chances are the move is for real. In this Euros United States dollar example, we see the ATR broke higher prior to the triangle breaking lower. As such, it was an earlier indication of the new bearish trend to come. Here are other examples of the support and resistance trading strategy with the average true range filter. Average true range scalping and intraday trading strategy. Now, it's time to show you the next real demonstration of how the ATR indicator works. You can get more comfortable incorporating this amazing indicator into your scalping or intraday trading strategy. Rules for buy trade. Step number 1. Make sure your chart setup configuration looks the same as our price chart. This average true range trading strategy has a chart configuration with 2 windows. The first window should contain your favorite market combined with 10-period Bollinger Band stops indicator and 10-period exponential moving average. The second window should contain the 10 ATR indicator with the 10 EMA attached to it. In this video, I've included a template with the system that you can simply upload to your chart, and it will automatically plot all these indicators perfectly on your charts, so there's nothing for you to worry about. Get the download link on the description. Now that we have our chart properly configured, it's time to move to the next step of the best average true range trading strategy. Step number 2. Wait for ATR indicator to break above 10 EMA. A breakout in the 10-period ATR indicator reading above the 10 EMA is indicative of higher volatility to come. With higher volatility, this also means trading opportunities and bigger profits to be made. Step number 3. Check the price chart to ensure the ATR breakout is followed by a price breakout. After the 10-period ATR line broke above the 10 EMA, we want this to be followed by a break in price as well. In the case of the buy entry, the trader has to wait for the 10-period EMA to be above the Bollinger Band stops indicator. Then the Bollinger Band stop indicator must change from a red state into a blue state. So, if the price breaks up and is accompanied by a break higher in volatility, there is a high probability of the market to move in the same direction. Step number 4. Enter long once we break above 10-period EMA. Depending on your preferred time frame, you'll have to wait until the breakout candle has been developed. Then enter long once the candle closes above the high of the 10-period EMA. This is key to the success of the average true range trading strategy. You'll learn soon that the ATR indicator will break many times above the 10 EMA. But it won't be confirmed by the price action, in which case you don't want to execute any trades. Step number 5. Place our protective stop loss. In trading, you have to learn to always protect your back and hide your protective stop loss at the most logical point. In this case, you should exit your trades in the event when the Bollinger Band stops indicator switches over in the opposite direction to the trade you are in. You can set your stop loss at the previous big dot, previous swing high, or previous swing low. It all depends on your position. Minimum take profit target follows a risk to reward ratio of 1:3. Rules for sell trade. Step number 1. Wait for ATR indicator to break above 10 EMA. Step number 2. Check the price chart to ensure the ATR breakout is followed by a price breakout. After the 10-period ATR line broke above the 10 EMA, we want this to be followed by a break in price as well. In the case of the sell entry, the trader has to wait for the 10-period EMA to be below the Bollinger Band stops indicator. Then the Bollinger Band stop indicator must change from a blue state into a red state. Step number 3. Enter short once we break below 10-period EMA. Depending on your preferred time frame, you'll have to wait until the breakout candle has been developed. Then enter short once the candle closes below the 10-period EMA. Step number 4. Place our protective stop loss. Here are other examples of the ATR breakout trading strategy. The ATR indicator is an important indicator. When used in the right way, it can grow your profits and decrease your losses. As always, if you learned something new, or if you want more videos more often, make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video across your WhatsApp, Facebook accounts, or Twitter to show your support. See you next time.